Most people waste hours on reward apps without ever cashing out. And the biggest mistake is not understanding the payout system before you start. Here's the truth no one tells you. Some apps make it ridiculously hard to withdraw your money. But free cash became popular because people think it pays faster and easier than most GPT apps. So what's the actual minimum cash out in 2026? And is it really that simple? In this video, I'll show you the exact minimum withdrawal amounts on free cash, how the payout system works, which payment methods are the fastest, and the mistakes that stop people from getting their money. And stay until the end because I'll also show you the easiest way beginners are hitting their first payout in less than one day. So let's answer the big question immediately. In 2026, free cash still has one of the lowest minimum cash out requirements compared to most reward apps. Depending on the payout method, some withdrawals start as low as 50 cents. Yes, literally 50 cents. But here's where it gets interesting. The minimum changes depending on how you want to get paid. For example, if you cash out using cryptocurrency like Litecoin or Bitcoin through supported options, the minimum can be extremely low. Some gift cards also start around 50 cents to $5. PayPal withdrawals are usually higher. In many cases, users need around $5 minimum before they can withdraw. This is where most people fail. They earn a few dollars, open the withdrawal page, and suddenly realize their preferred method requires more money than they currently have. Let's make this simple. Imagine Alex signs up for free cash and completes a few game offers. After 2 hours, he earns $3. If he wants a small crypto withdrawal, he may already qualify. But if he wants PayPal, he probably needs to keep earning until he reaches the required threshold. That's why understanding payout methods first is so important. Now you might be wondering how free cash even works in the first place. Free cash is what people call a GPT platform. GPT means get paid to. You complete offers, surveys, app downloads, games, or small online tasks, and the platform shares advertising revenue with you. Companies pay free cash to get users. Free cash pays part of that money to you. Simple idea. But the real reason people use free cash instead of older apps is speed. Some survey sites take weeks to process rewards. Free cash became popular because many users report same-day withdrawals. But here's the problem. Not every offer credits instantly. Some offers stay pending for days or even weeks, depending on the advertiser. And if you don't understand this system, you'll think the app is broken. Let's break this down. There are usually 3 reward stages on free cash. First is completed. That means the reward is confirmed and available. Second is pending. That means the advertiser is still verifying the task. Third is rejected. That happens if requirements were not completed correctly. This is why reading instructions matters more than people realize. For example, Jake downloads a mobile game offer that says, reach level 20 within 10 days. He only reaches level 14. He assumes he'll still get partial credit. But he gets nothing because the exact condition was not met. That's one of the biggest reasons users fail to cash out quickly. Now in a minute I'll show you the fastest earning methods for beginners. But first, let's talk about payout options, because this changes everything. Free cash usually offers multiple withdrawal methods. PayPal is popular because it's straightforward. Crypto withdrawals are often the fastest and lowest minimum. Gift cards include options like Amazon, Visa, Google Play, Apple, and gaming platforms. Some regions even have additional local payout methods. Now here's where it gets interesting. The lowest minimum cash outs are usually tied to crypto or certain gift cards. That's why experienced users often withdraw using Litecoin first. Transaction fees are lower, and payouts can process quickly. But beginners sometimes avoid crypto because it feels complicated. Honestly, if you only want simple cash, PayPal is still easier for most people even if the minimum is slightly higher. And there's another detail most YouTubers skip. Your first withdrawal may take longer than future ones. Why? Fraud prevention. Many GPT platforms manually review first-time withdrawals to stop fake accounts and bots. So don't panic if your first cash out takes longer than expected. Now let's talk about how fast people realistically earn enough to cash out. This depends entirely on the offers you choose. Surveys usually pay less but are easier. Game offers often pay the most but require more time. Financial app offers can pay extremely well, but they sometimes require deposits or subscriptions. This is where smart users separate themselves from beginners. Instead of doing random low-paying surveys all day, experienced users focus on high-value offers. For example, John spends 3 hours doing tiny surveys and earns $4. Meanwhile, Alex completes one mobile game offer and earns $25. Same platform. Completely different strategy. But here's the catch. High-paying offers usually require patience. Some mobile games need several days of gameplay. So if your goal is fast cash out, combining surveys with 1 or 2 good game offers usually works best. Now let's answer another common question. Can you really cash out every day on free cash? Technically yes, if you keep earning and your rewards are available. Many users do multiple withdrawals per week. But this is where most people fail again. They rush through offers too quickly. They use VPNs. They create duplicate accounts. Or they submit random survey answers. That can trigger account reviews or bans. Free cash tracks behavior patterns very carefully now compared to older GPT sites. So if you want consistent payouts, treat it like a real platform. Use accurate information. Complete tasks honestly. And follow offer instructions exactly. Now in a minute, I'll explain the best beginner strategy for reaching your first $20 quickly. But first, let's talk about realistic expectations because this part matters. Free cash is not a full-time income app for most people. A lot of TikTok videos make it sound like you'll earn hundreds daily with zero effort. That's not realistic for the average user. For most people, free cash works better as side income. Think extra gas money, subscription money, gaming money, food delivery money. Some users do make serious amounts during high-paying promotions. But consistency matters more than hype. And honestly, your country also affects earnings. Users in the United States, Canada, UK, and some European countries usually get the highest paying offers. Other regions may see fewer opportunities. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best strategy for beginners is not maximizing earnings immediately. It's reaching your first successful withdrawal fast. Why? Because once people see real money hit their account, they understand the platform better and stay motivated. So here's a simple beginner strategy. First, complete your profile fully. Second, focus on easy offers with clear requirements. Third, avoid complicated offers during your first day. Fourth, aim for one payout method and target its minimum amount directly. If PayPal requires $5, don't stop at $3 and wonder why cash out isn't working. Simple, but effective. Now let's talk about payout speed because this is another huge search topic. Crypto payouts can sometimes process within minutes. Gift cards are often fast too. PayPal withdrawals may vary depending on verification and account reviews. But pending rewards are the real delay most users experience. And this confuses beginners constantly. They think free cash is holding their money when actually the advertiser hasn't confirmed the offer yet. That's why you should always check pending times before starting a large offer. Some offers clearly say rewards may pend for 7 days, 14 days, or even longer. Now here's the smartest thing experienced users do. They stack short-term and long-term offers together. For example, while waiting for a big game offer to clear, they complete smaller instant credit tasks for quick withdrawals. That creates steady earnings instead of long waiting periods. And there's another hidden trick many people ignore. Daily streaks and bonus ladders. Free cash often rewards consistent activity. Logging in daily or completing tasks regularly can unlock bonus percentages or extra rewards. Individually, these bonuses seem small, but over weeks, they add up surprisingly fast. Now let's answer the final big question. Is the free cash minimum cash out actually good compared to competitors? Honestly, yes. Many older reward apps require $10, $20, or even $30 before withdrawal. Free cash stands out because beginners can often reach payout levels quickly. That psychological win matters. Especially for new users testing whether the platform is legitimate. But remember this. Low minimum cash out does not automatically mean easy money. You still need patience, attention to instructions, and realistic expectations. If you treat free cash like a quick side hustle instead of a magical income machine, you'll probably have a much better experience. So here's the bottom line. The free cash minimum cash out in 2026 can be as low as around 50 cents depending on the withdrawal method. PayPal usually requires more. Crypto and some gift cards offer the lowest thresholds. Your first withdrawal may take longer due to account verification. And the fastest way to cash out is focusing on simple high-converting offers instead of random low-paying tasks. Now you know exactly how the system works, what mistakes to avoid, and how to get your first payout faster. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest money app breakdowns, and comment below with the fastest payout you've ever received from a rewards app. I'll see you in the next one.